guys, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and if you saw my last video, you saw I made this little guy with tape, with some packing tape and an old magazine. And now I'm going to make an ATC card. I got this pack of cards from Dollar Tree, $1.25 for 3 sets of cards. So I'm just going to grab one of these cards out, and I just grab any one. There we go. Cute little rainbow there. And I actually save that for the back, and then I flip over and I decorate this side. So I have this paper that I cut out, and I'm going to kind of cut it to where I need it. So I'm just going to take I'm going to get the sides here. And that's how I cover those up. And then we're just going to cut around here. And you just kind of, ATC cards, I love them because you just kind of add and add to whatever you want until you like what you see. So now we have that as our card blank, and I'm going to get out a little bit of this pretty peacock here. And this is just a makeup brush. You guys, I have, I don't have my whole craft room with me. So I'm on the road, so I'm just kind of using a makeup brush and some paper pumpkin kits or card kits and my happy planner stuff, and just using whatever I can. So I'm just giving this a little bit of color with my little pretty peacock and makeup brush here. And there we go. And now I'm just going to kind of see where we want. I definitely know this is going to be going down on here. So pretty. I love it. But we're going to do a little bit of, well, I think actually I'll just go ahead and put this on there. I'm going to take this tape and put it on here, and it already still has a little bit of sticky anyways. That's so cool. So you can use any photos from like magazines and stuff. If you didn't see my other video on how to do that, I'm gonna get out this Going Places and see if there's anything on here that I really want to have. I like that one. It says chill, but I would love for that to be in more of a black and white. I do love this one. It says Going Places. And I think that would look really good right here. You can either flip that over, but I like to keep my back since it has that pretty rainbow, or there's other pictures as well. And then I just have a piece of paper that I stick that on. This one here says Dare to Begin. It would be really cool if I had a, oh, look at that, it's pretty. But I don't want to mix those two together. We do have these little guys though. That would be fun. This one says Time to Wander. And okay. This one here says Hola Bonita with a little heart, and I'm going to cut that part out and leave the Hola. But I am going to take this, I'm going to put that right there where it says Bonita, and then I'm going to take some of these little Monstera. I think I'll go right here. And we do have a couple more little hearts we can put on here. And then I think for my final thing, I'm just gonna put this little lié on here. And I'm gonna get out some of my little colors. Let's see what I want here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with that. And let's see. Gonna get a piece. I like that one. It'll go nicely. I like that one too. I think we might be able to do a little of both. And then we'll go around. We got to keep the artist's hand moving properly, though. I didn't really add too much color. And go a little bit darker. There we go. And then I'm just going to get off that extra color off of there. And just add little bits of color to whatever you like. And it's just like it says, it's an artist's trading card. So you do your little art there. And I think we're good. And there we go, my little artist trading card there. And that was using that tape. See how you can see through very nicely there. All right, beauties, let me know what you think. I'm having so much fun just being able to go a little crazy. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
You like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel.